Hello, I am Kalpana Pimpri, working as a General Manager in Saaketh Electrocircuit Private Limited. We are in design and manufacturing of automotive electronic parts, which we are supplying to all OEMs over the world or all over the India. Previously, it was a tedious job for us to manage the inventory at component level for electronic components. But New Horizon ERP solutions from SourcePro Infotech has made us that easy to manage the inventory at component levels with different makes of same value components. Another feature is minimum inventory level, so that allowed us to avoid surprise shortages at the operational level. Also, the outsourcing inventory we can manage easily with this software. SourcePro Infotechs, we really appreciate this ERP solution from this SourcePro Infotech, and we highly recommend for any business for their business enhancement for this material inventory management system. Also appreciate their support staff and the implementation team, because they supported us a lot for the implementation of this inventory management system. So thank you SourcePro Infotech for their excellent ERP solution.